It's Friday. You know what that means. It's time for the Firebird Friday video. And this week, we're going to figure out why the car, when you're driving, it kind of goes like this off to the passenger side. And when you step on the brakes, it comes hard on this side too. I think it has something to do with those brakes over on that passenger side. That's the side you're on there, son, right there. So why don't we shut up and get to wrenching on this week's episode of Firebird Friday. Take the wheel off and get a better look at what we got down here. First thing to do is take off this cap in order to get off of this brake drum. So put this in here and just loosen this up. There we go. And of course we got ourselves a cotter pin here. Go ahead and pull that back. And that back. That damn thing out of there. Should just rotate this out by hand. Need to. Then, there she is. Off she comes. Okay, so about 9 inches, about 9 inches on the inside there. So now, I pull this away. Let's just see. So that way, going up won't happen. I go down. So down is the way to make it tighter. I'll clean our hands. Lift that up. Let's just take some of this off. Take our measurement. Aha, look at that. We took about, I'd say, good 1/8 of an inch off. That may be a little too much. You know what we can do? We can go to the other side, at least match up both sides. So let's go do that. Let's take that side off now. Now that I'm thinking about it, this is the first time I've had the wheels off the car since the alignment, which was back in April, something like that, April or March. Now I know the tire pressure is at 32 all the way around. Comment down below if you know what the correct tire pressure is for a 67 Firebird 400 is. And one more. All right. One tire coming off. And away she goes. There's my girl. Did you come to help your dad? Oh, thank you for the kisses. Thank you. Okay, that dad gets his done. Gotta love Sierra the shop dog. Alright, that should now be free. Get this out. At least you know that nut's never coming off. That should just be on hand tight. Alright. Of course, your washer and bearing are back there, so just wiggle those two out, set them aside. Now we can pull off this brake drum. All right. Now, in theory, if both sides are the same, then we should be good. That is in a lot more than it was on the other side. So let's take this here for a measurement, and let's go duplicate what we have on this side on that side. Okay, back to this side. Let's see where we're at here. It's about right there. So we need to come out just, actually, that's pretty much on the money compared to that other side. Cool. Let's put this back together. Let's take it for a road test. That's like this side. Now, there are different drums on both sides. That might be part of our problem as well. So with that, we'll go ahead and put in our bearing, then our washer. We'll get our nut. We'll do just like we did before. We'll go ahead and we'll tighten it down. All right, so we're just gonna make sure she's nice and tight. And then we'll rotate it and spin it both ways. This one here feels like it has a little bit more resistance than the other one. But either way, so now our cotter pin should be going in about, let's see here. Let's loosen her up a little. Right there, there's where she's at. So bring her in about right there. Go ahead and we'll fold this one up. And then I take this one, and I like to twist it and fold it in like that. Take that one. Cool, all right. Feels good. Cap, back on. Left tap. All right, I'll finish up putting the wheels on, and then we'll go for a test drive. We found ourselves a straightaway by the house. We're going to go see how well I adjust the brakes to fix anything for us pulling this way. Let's go. She brakes a lot. All right, so definitely it made braking a lot better. It didn't pull as hard to the passenger side, but when I let go of that wheel, it still wants to pull that passenger side. So I got to figure out if it's the tires. I did buy some cheap Walmart tires, so I'm going to flip them, take that one, put it over here, this one over there, and let's go for another drive and let's see if that changes it. If it doesn't, then that tells me there's something wrong with the suspension or the alignment. I already did an alignment, and the guy told me it was perfect. So either that guy was woohoo on the sauce or something. So I may have to take it to another place to get it aligned. But first, let's switch out the tires. Let's go for another drive, and we'll find out. So I'll meet you back here in a little bit. Let's go. So her braking's a little... Watch. Yeah. So the alignment. Alright, let's bring her to the garage. Well, guys, I'm going to call it a night tonight here at the Arrowhead Garage. By switching up those tires, you saw it still pulling to that passenger side, to that right side, which tells me it's not the tires. It's something to do with the suspension or the alignment. So I guess this week I'll take it back to the alignment shop, maybe a different alignment shop, and see if they can correct the problem and see if we can't get this thing to track nice and true down the road. So with that, I appreciate you guys watching. If you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs down, wherever you want. It helps out the channel. We're almost at 18,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. And until next Friday, have a good one. Be safe, and I'll see you then.